Hey guys, Amy from my Publix Coupon Buddy here. This is my favorite deal this week. The sparkle paper towels are on sale, 2 for $9. Now at Publix, you don't have to buy 2 to get that $9 price. You can buy 1 and get them at $4.50. So what I'm doing is I'm buying 1 at $4.50. Last week I purchased this Children's Miracle Network coupon sheet at my register, paid $5 for it, but I've definitely saved way more than $5. So you use, I've got the wrong sheet here. This is the $3 sheet. The $5 sheet has a $2 off 1 sparkle coupon on it. The $3 sheet has $1 off 1 coupon on it, and the $1 sheet has a 55-cent off 1 coupon on it. So depending on what sheet you bought, which I bought all 3, your donation allows you to save a different denomination. So grab your $5 one, if that's the one you got. It has a $2 off 1 sparkle coupon on it. Then use one of, that is a Publix coupon from your donation sheet. This is a manufacturer coupon that's printable with a new email sign up on the link I'll put above this video. So when you use one of those and one of these, you will pay just $1.50 for a 6-pack of sparkle. Happy couponing.